My name's Heather Hudgins. I'm an esthetician and skincare therapist. I have been for 20 years now. I own Baltimore Brow Bar. It's in Baltimore, and I do eyebrows and I do facials. And something that I recently purchased that I'm completely in love with for myself and my clients is this Hooga LED light. I really researched all the different brands that are out there, and this one just came the most recommended, had the best reviews, and I felt like it was just such an economical price point that I couldn't resist buying it. What I really love about this is it stimulates collagen and elastin in the skin for my clients. It helps with inflammation. So I end up using this every time I do a treatment on somebody on their skin with nothing on it for about 10 minutes. I also love that it microcirculates freshly oxygenated blood to the capillaries. It really pushes out the waste in their skin. It helps to stimulate collagen and elastin. It helps with pain relief. And if their skin's a little bit red, it'll kind of take that redness down, as well as plump their lips a little bit. This is something that I love for myself to use as well. So if I'm having a day where I'm feeling like overtaxed on my body and I'm having back pain, I like to just lay underneath of this. I decided to get a larger version for my skincare practice because as an esthetician of 20 years, I have pains now in my hands from doing this for so long. And this, I don't have to hold or do anything handheld. I can sincerely just roll it over my client's skin, and there you have it. I love this technology. I really do believe it works really well for fine lines and wrinkles and inflammation in the skin, and it's just something that is really worth incorporating into your everyday practice. But Hooga is where it's at. If you have any questions about this or need a recommendation, this is the one that I would highly recommend for anyone to use at home or in their skincare studios.